Hey, buddy.
Oh, could you see that chat in the side?
Yep.
Is that how you got in here by clicking the link?
No, I got in here by. So you didn't invite me to join, but I just click on the conversation and then click on the chat box thing and then came in myself.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah, sorry. I gotta get my water. Hold on.
Okay. If I got locked away, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
Hey, did you ever take chem?
Yep.
I'm in 101 right now, and online it sucks.
Oh man. Yes, let's take 105 too then.
You took 105?
No, you let's take 105 as well.
I don't have to take 105.
For nursing major?
Yeah,
do.
it's just 101.
What? I thought you did. Dude, I'm so hungry. I'm sorry if I'm like eating while we're doing this too.
Oh, that's fine.
I just got home and I'm just like I'm starving.
I gotta go to.
Okay.
Let me pull up my stuff real fast. Okay. Did you have any questions on the assignment for this
Nope. Nope. None at all.
It was pretty straightforward.
Yep.
Probability and stuff like that.
How's your day?
It was okay. I was in class for 10 hours, so.
Fun. You look so like just sick of it. Just like
Yeah, it's bad, dude. Like, literally, we don't even get a lunch.
You don't?
It's like 10 straight hours of just like, well, not always sitting there, but a lot of the time we're just sitting there. So yeah.
Oh man.
It's hard, but it's okay. My classes aren't killing me, so
It'll
it'll
be
be okay.
Yeah, it'll be great. Just study and do what you're supposed to, and it'll work out.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, me too. So 1 and 2, yes. 3. A hypothesis test consists of 2 hypotheses: the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. Which one represent the status quo? That's the null, for sure.
Did you want to skip down and do the part 2?
Part 2? For what? Wait, part 2 of what?
Oh.
It's a part 2 of the test?
No. The part 2 of this. Go over your answers that we got for just part 2.
Oh, you mean for the individual preparations?
Mm-hmm. And then we can go do our group quiz after this.
Yeah. Sure. 1 second, let me open. Okay. All right. Yeah, these are pretty simple. Okay. So
I think it starts on the second page.
yeah. Yeah, all right. So, blah blah blah. You do one with your group. The graduate management admission to GMAT uses admission criterion for many masters of business administration. Scores in GMAT in the past has a mean of 529. Determine a null and alternative. So, it would be equal. It would be equals to 529, and then the alternative would be it would be like greater than or less than, greater than 529.
Okay. So B, type 1 error was committed.
Yep. Type 1 error was committed. Yep.
If the analysis was done. Increase the level of significance.
So if the whatever is 0.01 level, so it'd be 1%. So it'd be 1% that it would have the chance of committing a type 1 error.
Okay.
That's pretty simple. We wanted to decrease the probability of making a type 2 error. We need to increase or decrease. It'd be increase.
Increase the level.
Yeah.
Number 2.
So number 2.
So that's already been studied. The realtor the sample.
What is the population? So the population would be the buyers, all of the buyers.
Yeah.
How did he sample his population? He randomly selects his sample, so it'd be random.
Yeah.
What is the research question? The research question, it's in there. It's so it says it wants to determine the average age of those buying investment property in its area is different from the national average. That's the question. So are the buyers, are real estate, so are home buyers, are the age of home buyers, yeah, are the age of home buyers who are buying investment property different than in his area, or like national than any other areas, I guess. Yeah, something like that.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah. So do you want to go on the group quiz?
Yeah, let's do that. There's a lot of things here. Okay. Okay. So we did number 3. That's null. Number 4. Which hypotheses involve equality? Null, because alternative would be like greater than or less than. P-value of the probability of obtaining sample statistics at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. When computing this probability, which hypothesis do you assume to be true? The null, obviously. Suppose the null hypothesis is equals to 10. So mean is equals to 10. Which of the following represents alternative hypothesis for two-tailed test? It would be, two-tailed test. Let me read up on that real quick. So two-tailed test. Okay, it'd be not equal to. That's the two-tailed test. So it's the mean is not equals to 10.
Okay.
The left-tailed test would be it's less than. So that'd be the mean is less than 10.
So that's the first answer.
What's up?
It's the first one, right?
Yeah, for number 7, yeah. That's less than, yeah. So mean population means less than 10 for the left-tailed test, and the right-tailed test is greater than. So the population means greater than 10.
Okay. That makes sense.
I'm reading right here in the lesson.
The outcome
and then the outcome of a hypothesis test is determined by comparing the p-value to a level of significance, or A. Uses information from question 9 and 10. Which relationship would result in failing to reject the null hypothesis? It would be the p-value is greater than A.
Okay.
And then it's the opposite. It would be rejecting.
Less than A.
What's up? Yeah, that's rejecting the null hypothesis would be p-value is less than A. An insurance company reviewing its current policy rate when originally setting the rates, I believe that the average claim amount was concerned that true meaning is actually higher than this, which is following would be appropriate alternative hypothesis. It would be what they said. It's higher than this. So it'd be the average claim amount is greater than 1,500.
Okay.
Which of the following would be the appropriate null hypothesis?
So that would be less.
It would be equal to.
Because the
null hypothesis is always equal to. It's like, and so an alternative hypothesis is the one that's like either not equal to or less than or greater than. And then insurance company randomly selects 40 claims, calculates sample mean of 1,650. The insurance company assumes distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption? Yeah.
Yeah. Because it's over 40.
What theorem or law justifies your answer? What do you think on this one?
Is it central limit?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Is this going back and kind of reviewing?
Yeah, I think so. Which of the following is the test statistics? Oh, I just read about this actually. The test statistics is the z-score, which would be the z.
Okay.
The historical mean of sales received at a grocery store is 150 with standard deviation of 40. Store manager suspects that the average has decreased. She sets up a hypothesis test with the following hypotheses. Mean equals to, okay. Should we use the level of significance of A equals to 0.05? Should take a simple random sample of 36 sales receipts. Blah, blah. What is the z-score associated with this test? So we have to find the z-score. Okay, we both know how to do z-score. So let me find out real quick. Here, wait. You work on what's the p-value associated with the z-score from the previous question. So yeah, I work on 16. You work on 17.
I can't do 17 because it's 16. Because it says with the z-score question.
Oh yeah, that's right. Hey, maybe not. Here, let me work on 16 real quick.
Okay. What inference?
Tired?
Yeah.
So if I blah blah. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay, so 16 is negative 0.90.
Negative. So it's negative 0.90,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, negative 0.900. It's like 3 decimal places. But yeah, you basically just calculate the z-scores from the significance and the mean. So
Okay. And then so the p-value is you all right there?
yeah, yep.
Okay. So just three more. What inference would you make about the null hypothesis? Let's see. What do we is it rejected?
Wait, what's up?
For number 18.
Okay, number 18. What inference would you make about the null hypothesis for this problem? It would be about the null hypothesis. So it'd be failed to reject the null hypothesis.
Okay. Two types of errors following hypothesis.
Two types of errors that can be made when performing. Which ones involve rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true? It'd be type 1.
Okay.
Pretty sure it's type 1. A researcher decided that instead of using a level of significance, he would use 1%, which the following would be true. It would be
the probability will decrease.
So it would be
or is it maybe two errors? Maybe it's not more scientifically valid.
Mm-hmm. So it'll actually be the probability of type 2 error it will increase.
Okay.
Because the level of significance is lower, so type 2 will increase.
And then if theta equals 5, the probability of
committing a type 1 error. So it'd be 0.05. Yeah.
that's just this is straight across.
Yes, it's a probability, right? So it's 5%. So it's type 1 error, so it's 0.05.
So it's just the same answer.
Yeah, so because it's 5%, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Okay, I'll submit it. Cool. Got it.
Awesome. When is that?
All right.
It's a homework due. Okay, homework's not due till Saturday. Cool. All right, man. I'll post the video.
Thank you. Okay, buddy. Have a good night, all right?
You too. Talk to you later.
Bye.